Hello folks, this is EDC at Sofa channel. How to pick the right multi-tool. Again, in EDC tactical or outdoor world, multi-tool is plier based multi-tool. So pliers with some tools incorporated in handles. How to pick the right tool for you. If you have some multi-tool, just skip this video, do something else in your life. If you want to pick multi-tool for you, okay, I will try to answer that question. So basically there are 4 categories in multi-tools: heavy duty, full size, medium and keychain size. Okay, I will try to answer for those 3 first categories. Keychain size tools, I don't know, you can pick anyone. For heavy duty multi-tools, well, if you are buying new one, I think there are only 3 tools you should consider: Leatherman Super Tool 300, Victorinox Swiss Tool and Leatherman Surge. Why? Because those are the best on the market, and just forget those value for money crap. You have only 2 hands and you can only use one tool at a time. So take the right one, the best you can find. So Leatherman Super Tool 300, yeah, it is classic multi-tool with butterfly opening and tools accessible from inside the handles. You can find many reviews on the internet. This is heavy duty multi-tool. You can use it, for example, you can put it in your car at a Glow apartment or at your work or home desk to be near you. This is not EDC multi-tool. This category is not meant for EDC. It has a lot of tools or functions. It's sturdy. So this is pick number 1 for me. If you like some better quality, Victorinox is for you. And all tools are accessible from outside. All tools are locking, so Swiss made. Very similar to Leatherman Super Tool, except for those tools accessible from outside. Implementations are very similar, maybe, well, no, pliers are a little bit different. No replaceable wire cutters. Okay. And in that category, if you need one hand opening for blades, in that case it is Leatherman Surge. It has maybe some other implementations like this replaceable wood saw. It could be replaced with some other blades. Okay, and it has scissors, big scissors. Okay. And current version has replaceable wire cutters. Okay, so if you need multi-tool for EDC, some kind of EDC, more compact, number one, Lederman Wave. It is similar to Surge, but smaller, obviously. So I think this is the most selling multi-tool currently. There are better tools, but this is optimum. You can buy, cheaper tools than this, but just forget those value for money. Buy for you the right stuff. Okay, Lederman Wave has those 4 tools accessible from outside, 2 blades and 2 saws, metal file, and three-sided file. Okay, there are some drawbacks, of course, like tiny scissors, but okay. You can find, for example, Lederman Charge more expensive than this, but you won't get much from Charge. Okay, so again, if you don't need tools accessible with one-handed, there is a Victorinox Swiss tool Spirit. Excellent quality, the best in the multi-tool world. Excellent. Well, some folks say that Victorinox is using steel that is softer than, for example, steel used in Lederman tools, but that's not true. It's comparable. It's comparable. Only high-end Lederman tools have for blades only some better quality steel. So that would be my pick number 2, or number 1 for you, if you like excellent quality. And number 3 in that category, full-sized or standard-sized multi-tools, it is Lederman Rebar. This is classic multi-tool, so it is butt 5 opening and all tools are accessible from the inside of the handles. That's classic standard story, so this is not the best ergonomics to use those tools that are accessible from the inside of the handles. Okay, you could maybe use it that way. So Lederman Rebar, it is very compact and classic multi-tool. If you are not using multi-tools very often, this is a recommendation. Space efficient, lightweight. Sorry about that. When it comes to mini tools or medium-sized tools, I would recommend Lederman Juice, some beefy version, or Lederman's Sidekick. So those two tools are EDC tools that are carried inside your pocket or inside your bag, shoulder bag, or fanny pack or something like that. So those two tools, similar in weight, Sidekick and its siblings, Rev and good value for money also. But anyway, if you need EDC tool for real everyday carry, those two will do the best.